Waze, no GPS, showing approximate location. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can solve if the Waze app is not showing GPS and showing you approximate location. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So to basically solve the problem, first of all, just make sure that you enable location on your own device first of all, because if you don't have this option, then it most likely it will not work. So make sure you enable location. Now just locate the Waze app on your Android or iOS and long press on it. Then for Android, you have to just tap the I button to directly come to the app info page. Once you come to the app info page, you'll find this option called permissions. Go to permissions, go to location. Now it would have been selected to allow while using the app. You have to select to allow all the time, and if it is showing approximate location, it could be that this option is turned off. So you want to make sure to turn on use precise location. If it is turned off, it is going to only use the radius around the area, but you have to turn on this option to use your precise location. This way you should be able to solve Waze app no GPS or showing approximate location. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.